Hey roses, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever felt like your day is never ending? Your brain is constantly tired, and even after a full night's sleep, you're still exhausted? Like seriously, when did life become so draining? Well, today we're changing that. Get ready, because I'm about to spill the tea on how to boost your energy, stay focused, and leave burnout in the dust. By the end of this video, you'll feel like the queen of productivity and self-care. So grab your favorite drink and your prettiest notebook, and let's get right into it. Why are we always tired? Okay, first of all, let's talk about why you're so tired all the time. It's not just because you're busy. Sometimes it's the way we treat our bodies and minds. Let me break it down for you. Skipping meals. Girl, stop eating nothing for breakfast because you want a flat belly. Your body is like a car, it can't run empty. Fuel it with real food that nourishes you. Scrolling endlessly. You're not relaxing by doom scrolling TikTok at 2 a.m. I know it feels like downtime, but your brain is in overdrive and it's not helping. Overbooking yourself. You're not a machine, so stop acting like one. Every yes you say to something you don't want to do is a no to your energy and well-being. Burnout starts with habits that seem harmless, but over time, they drain your energy completely. So let's fix that. 1. Fix your sleep game. Here's the thing, sleep isn't just a cute idea, it's a necessity. Your body heals, your brain resets, and your mood improves when you're well rested. Here's how to up your sleep game. Set a bedtime alarm. Yes, you need one. Treat bedtime like a non-negotiable VIP event. Think of it as your nightly spa session you can't wait to have. Ditch the screens. That one last episode or a quick scroll is stealing your energy. Your brain needs time to wind down. Try a good book or a calming playlist to put your mind at ease. Create a cozy vibe. Turn your room into a sleep haven every night. Fix your bed. Use soft blankets, dim the lights, and maybe light a cute lavender-scented candle or diffuser. When your bed feels irresistible, falling asleep becomes effortless. And let's not forget, consistency is key. So, do this even on weekends. 2. Fuel your body right. Now, let's talk about food. The way you eat directly impacts how you feel. Want a goddess-level energy? Start here. Eat the rainbow. No, I don't mean Skittles, I mean fruits and veggies. They're packed with vitamins and antioxidants that keeps you energized all day. Eat protein too. Eat eggs, nuts, beans, yogurt, or even grilled chicken. Protein keeps you full and focused. Hydrate, don't dehydrate. Water isn't just a water, it's a necessity. Dehydration makes you sluggish and cranky. So grab a cute water bottle and sip throughout the day. If you're ever feeling sluggish, ask yourself, have I eaten? Have I had water? These two things alone can make a big difference for you. 3. Manage your energy, not just your time. Here's the real tea. Productivity isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. Stop trying to do everything at once and start managing your energy like a pro. Prioritize like a boss. Start with the tasks that actually matter. That thing you've been avoiding, get it done first. Take breaks. Resting isn't slacking. It's recharging. Try taking breaks each time you work, like the Pomodoro technique, 25 minutes of work and 5 minutes of break. You'll be amazed at how much you get done. Learn to say no. Your time and energy are precious. Treat them like expensive designer bags. Don't hand them out freely. Saying no to what drains you is saying yes to what fuels you. 4. Self-care isn't selfish, it's survival. Let's redefine self-care. It's not just about bubble baths, though we love those. It's about nurturing your mind, body, and soul. Here's what real self-care looks like. Move your body. Whether it's dancing, yoga, or a walk around the block, movement boosts your mood and energy. Journal your thoughts. Write down what's stressing you out, what you're grateful for, or even your wildest dreams. It's therapeutic. Make time for joy. Hobbies aren't just for fun. They're essential. Whether it's painting, baking, or learning a TikTok dance, do what makes you happy. 5. Build a burnout-free routine. Routines don't have to be boring. They can actually set you free. A good routine creates structure and helps you avoid chaos. Morning routine. Start your day with something that lights you up. Whether it's a gratitude journal, A quick workout, or your skincare, set the tone for a productive day. Evening routine, wind down at night with a gratitude practice. Write down 3 things you're thankful for or proud of. It'll help you sleep better and wake up feeling positive. A consistent routine helps your mind and body know what to expect, so you can spend less time stressing and more time thriving. 6. Surround yourself with good energy. You are who you hang out with. If your friends are tiring or draining, it's time for a change. Spend time with uplifting people. Surround yourself with friends who inspire you, make you laugh, and support your goals. Set boundaries. It's okay to say no to people who don't respect your energy. Protect your peace because it's priceless. Join positive communities. Whether it's an online group like mine, a club, or a class, find people who share your interests and lift you up. Listen, Roses, burnout doesn't mean you're weak. It means you've been strong for too long without giving yourself a break. You are not a machine, and you don't have to do it all. You deserve rest, joy, and balance. So, take a deep breath and prioritize yourself. You've got this. Now go out there, slay, and show the world what a rested, energized, and unstoppable version of you looks like. If this video gave you life, or at least the energy to stop feeling tired, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with your besties. Let's all stay energized and slay together. See you in the next video.